National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Bandera County, southeastern Kirk County, western Kendall County, until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bandera, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Bernie, Comfort, Bandera, Walnut Grove, Bandera Falls, Sisterdale, Cypress Creek, Pipe Creek, Welfare, Nelson City, Center Point, Kronkowski State Natural Area, Waring, Lake Hills, Crown, and Lake Medina Shores. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.